The Roche posay, if y'all ever get a hold of this video, y'all need to sponsor me, baby, because I don't play about my Roche posay. Okay? Thank you. Care if you're black, green, yellow, purple, white, or orange, you need to use sunscreen. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Taylor Dunn. If you're new here, welcome in. If you're not new here, connect the heart. Yeah, welcome back to my channel. So y'all that don't know, in these vlogs now for February, I am going to make sure I am posting 2 times a week, one long form video and one video that'll just be like random little videos, and they'll always be posted on Mondays and Wednesdays. If you've been watching me, then you know I always post my long form videos on Mondays, and now I'm adding Wednesdays to the schedule for these little videos right here. In this video, I want to show you guys how I actually cleared my skin from birth control acne. I've never had my face break out as bad as it ever did when I got off of birth control. So I started off with glass skin, you know, before I got on birth control. I'll show y'all a picture right here. And then I had got on the Nexplanon, the thing in my arm, for 3 years, and that's a video for another day, y'all. Like, I can tell y'all so much bad stuff about that Nexplanon. The only good thing was you won't get pregnant. That's all I can tell you. But it came with so many downfalls and so many cons. And one of them was when I decided to get off of birth control, my skin broke out horribly. Like, my body purged that birth control out of my body through my skin, and I'll show y'all a picture or a video, one of the two right here. It was terrible. So I'm going to show you guys how I went from that to this. And also my skin, I haven't done my skincare routine yet because I wanted to come on here and do it with you guys so I can show y'all exactly what I use. When it comes down to products, whether it's like medicines, anything to go on my face, like, I'm a very bare minimum girl. I don't believe in a lot of toxic stuff like being put inside of my body on the outside or in. That's one thing you guys will learn about me if you watch my long form videos. I do not like to take medication unless it's like I really have to. I don't like a really like deep down skincare routine with all these different chemicals because I just feel like it's not good for you. And yeah, I like the most naturalist stuff I can find when it comes down to me and my body on the inside and out. So I'm gonna show you guys what I be doing and how I got my skin. And it's so crazy because I just came from the gym, y'all. I did take a shower, but I didn't do my skincare routine like I said because I wanted to do it with y'all. But y'all can see like my skin looks good. You know, that's the vibes. That's the vibes. So let's get into it. So first I'm gonna use this to put on. Really, if I had my edges did or whatever, but I don't have my edges did right now for the purpose of this video. But we're gonna put this on our face. I'm gonna wash my hands first because I just lotion my body up. I just got out the shower. And the first thing I like to use is my La Roche-Posay Gentle Foam Moisturizing Wash. I do have very sensitive skin, so I really like this one. I do want to try the purifying one as well because sometimes I do like to double cleanse my face. But we're going to use this first. I'm going to use a generous amount of this. I'll lather it really good. Really, y'all, I want to start using disposable towels, but I just haven't got around to ordering them yet. But it's way better to use disposable towels when cleaning your face because hand towels, no matter how many times you wash them, they still hold bacteria. So moving forward, you guys use disposable towels, but we're gonna rinse this off our face. I just like to take my towel and just like clean my eyes since I have lashes on. And they be like leaning all in my face. I don't take the water part off of my face usually. I just pat it just a little bit. And then I'm going to use this bar right here, y'all. It's wrapped up in aluminum foil because it comes in a plastic wrap. This is from Brandi Glow. She's in my city, but she's a black lady, a black woman who has skincare products, and I really love this soap. It's a I'll put it right here, y'all, because I forgot the name of it, but it's good for clearing like your dark spots, acne spots, all of that. So I do use this every day, and I always wet my hand up and like lather it on my hand, because you don't need much, because a little goes a long way. Remember that. Like, you see that? Like, it's a really good lather. I really love this soap. It's like my favorite soap to use for my dark spots. Because, y'all, my face never breaks out. I just have hyperpigmentation. Like, I don't know. I produce a lot of melanin. I would use this with 2 hands, but I'm just doing 1 hand. And I try to mainly focus on the spots where I know, like, my back spots, my hyperpigmentation flares up the most. And it's usually like on the sides of my face and like right by my chin. So I try to make sure I'm super lathering that into my face. And I do my forehead and like the bridge of my nose, just because. But yeah, I get into a good lather. I go ahead and remove that with some warm water. Now, okay, let me switch y'all. Hold on. Okay, now my face is all clean. You can kind of definitely tell my face is clean. I would usually let my face air dry, because I do ice my face. I ice my face in the mornings and at night. Icing your face helps with like inflammation, bags under your eyes. It brightens up your skin. Like, I love to ice my face. Sometimes when I have bags from not like going to sleep at night, that ice definitely be tea. So that's why I like to let the water kind of dry on my face, and then we're gonna ice our face, let that dry, and then we'll move on to what I use after. So let me go get a piece of ice. Alright, y'all, so now I got my piece of ice. I'm literally just going to ice my face, literally, like. And don't like overly ice the underneath part of your eyes, like where the bags be, because it can damage your skin barrier. So yeah, take that into consideration. And once you've completely iced your face, you see how it gets super wet. Don't take that the wrong way. But you know how your face is like super wet? I'm gonna let this dry. Like, I let my air dry. So usually when I'm getting out the shower, I ice my face when I get out the shower. Usually I'll be like putting on my clothes or whatever. But for now, we're just gonna let this dry, and then I'll come back. Okay? Okay, y'all. So now my face is dry. You can see it's clear but dry. So the first thing we're gonna go in with, okay, is my The Ordinary. Can y'all see that? There we go. The Ordinary hyaluronic acid. I used to use this a long time ago, but I started back using it recently because it was summertime and I feel like my face needed some. Y'all just seen that? My face needed some extra hydration, and that's literally what hyaluronic acid is for. It's hydrating your face. So I just go in with 3 dots of that, put it all over my face. Rub in. And we're gonna let that dry. Now while that dry, I want to talk to y'all about layering your skin products. You always use your serums first. So you clean your face, use your serums, then you'll go in with your moisturizer and then your sunscreen. So if y'all need help, I put on the screen. Skincare layering, serums first. So that's any of your hyaluronic acid, your glycolic acid, any of that stuff that you use, any serums you use, that's also going to be first. Vitamin C oil or whatever. And then you'll go in with your moisturizers, whatever moisturizer you decide to use. And then the last thing you will use would be your sunscreen. So like I told y'all, I'm very bare minimum when it comes down to skincare products. So the only serum I use is my hyaluronic acid for hydration, and then I use my La Roche Posay daily moisturizing lotion. The Rose Posay, if y'all ever get a hold of this video, y'all need to sponsor me, baby, because I don't play about my little Rose Posay. Okay, thank you. But since the serum is dry, we're gonna go in with our moisturizer, and I like to use a good amount of this because I like my face to be shiny. Some people be saying, you look sweaty. Girl, I'd rather look sweaty and moisturized than dry. So I go in with my moisturizer. And y'all, this lady on TikTok said that when you putting on your stuff, like for your face, always push back, because it's like you're pushing your skin back, because if you drag it down, your face will start to droop as you get older. And ever since I seen that black lady, and she was black, and black don't crack, baby. But ever since I seen that black lady say that, I always push my products upwards and backwards into my skin, because I don't want my face to be droopy. And I moisturize on top of my eyes as well, because they be dry too. Okay, we're gonna rub the rest of that in on our hands. We're not letting no products go to waste. The Rose Posay is too expensive. If you know, you know. This bought about $30. Okay. And then, last but not least, is our Black Girl Sunscreen. I live by this along with my Rose Posay. I don't care if you're black, yellow, green, purple, orange. You need to use sunscreen. Again, I don't care if you're black, green, yellow, purple, white, or orange. You need to use sunscreen. Okay? All of my black girls. At one point, we always in the days where we feel like we didn't use sunscreen, and that is a story. Do not believe that. The sun rays can burn anybody's skin. It just burns our skin in different ways than it does other complexions. We need sunscreen. I use sunscreen year round. Okay? This right here is Tito. Whoever the owner of Black Girl Sunscreen, you do your thing. Okay. And we're gonna put that sunscreen on. And y'all see that? Y'all see that? Hold on, we're missing one product. And the last product of them all is our lip gloss. Because where would we be without our lip gloss? Don't play. Don't play. And look at that. Look at that skin. Can y'all see? Y'all see how my skin is like glowing? Like, let me lift y'all up. Y'all see that? Let's take this off. Let me do my edges and I'll be right back. Y'all see how good my skin looks? It looks so amazing. It looks so healthy. It looks so glowy and moisturized. Also, I want y'all to know that like clearing your skin, in my case, it was my birth control, but I also was like making sure that my gut health was good as well. I do drink Good Belly probiotics from Aldi. If y'all want to look into that, I'll put a picture of it right here. I get it from Aldi, and that's really, really good for your gut health as well. So if anybody is dealing with like acne and stuff like that, try to like work on your gut health as well. That'll like help clear up your skin and stuff as well, along with the good skincare routine. And I do my skincare routine in the morning and at night. At nighttime, the only thing I don't use is my Black Girl Sunscreen, but my skincare routine for morning and night is definitely the same. What else do I have to tell you? I think that's pretty much it. Yeah, do not get on birth control. It's horrible for your body. It definitely destroyed my skin, and I went through a really depressive stage about my skin when I got off birth control. I've been off birth control for 2 years now, so it definitely took like 6 months to a year for me to clear my skin back up and to like purge all of that birth control out of my skin. But now I don't really have too many problems with my skin. Like I said, I do have hyperpigmentation, especially when my cycle is coming on. But other than that, like I don't deal with acne. I've never dealt with acne. Knock on wood. So yeah, but if you guys have any questions, Anything you guys want to ask me, make sure y'all leave them down below in the comment section. I just want to tell you guys thank you so much for watching this video, and I will have all of the products listed in the description box. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.